Welcome to today's video. Let's first get to know Python by learning the basic concepts. Firstly, Python is an interpreted and dynamic data type high-level programming language that has applications in fields of web programming, scripting, and artificial intelligence. Secondly, Python is very popular and used by organizations such as Google, NASA, CIA, and Disney. Thirdly, the design of Python is highly readable, and it often uses English keywords compared to other languages. It has a more distinctive syntax structure than other languages. Python is a type of interpretive languages. Compilation is not included in the development process, similar to PHP and Perl languages. Interactive language, you can execute code directly after a Python prompt, just like in a conversation with an interpreter. Object-oriented language, Python supports object-oriented styles or object-oriented programming techniques that encapsulate code. Beginner's language, Python is a great language for beginner programmers. It supports a wide range of application development, from simple word processing to web applications to game development, and Python can handle it easily. So, using Python as the first programming language to learn is a good choice. Let's first learn how to install the appropriate version of Python on your device. There are different ways to install Python for different operating systems on your computer. For example, Windows, Unix, and Mac. Take my Windows operating system as an example. Click the link to open the official website. Select the Window Platform installation package in the download list. The package format is Python XYZ, exe file, and XYZ is the version number you want to install. After downloading, double-click the download package and enter the Python installation wizard. The installation is very simple. You just need to use the default settings and click Next until the installation is completed. Now let's try running the first program. Let's first create a Python program to show Hello, Python. In Python, we use the print instruction to output text, like this. The print function can also be used to output multiple lines of text. Can be used in new line to wrap text, or you can output multiple lines using multiple print functions like these. This is the entire content of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.